My buddy just got his industrial supply of condoms delivered to his house. So we just came up to this bridge and we gotta cross that way. And then once we're over there, we cross up. Look at these two clowns crossing this river. I'm kind of waiting, kind of hoping that one of them slips in a little bit. I don't know if that's mean or not. So we just got up on the first part. Still waiting for Dylan. There he is. And then there's a sweet reservoir. No! How about
last weekend I fell.
Which one did you do? So we're coming along the trail. They're behind us. And then you got the waterfall. So this is like a triple waterfall. You can see it comes down, down, down. So we're going along and this fella just like jumps onto him fucking Dylan's shoulder. It's crazy. What's up, buddy?
That prints you out a slip, and then you got to go through the customs window. So that, and there's a fuck ton of people.
So we came off the trail, and not really sure where we are. And they came across these. Look at these mammoth freaking leaves. They're huge. This is my favorite part of this hike. So you have to go across these, and then get over to there. You have to go from these rocks. Making it out the last little bit of this trail, and it's just completely mud. My buddy just got his industrial supply of condoms delivered to his house.